Hello. I think I'm like, that was better. Yeah, so I didn't record yesterday. I finally got together with my girlfriend again, and I totally forgot. So that is how life is. Not got together, that sounds very weird, but she came home from vacation, and I spent some time with her. But I just realized, because this past week I have not been feeling like I had not been very productive with my business. And I have this feeling that it's very nice when, I don't know if this is the saying or you heard it before, but like the hard work you did is bearing fruit for like your present moment. Like actually what I did 2-3 months ago, I'm actually just feeding off that food, like the fruits now, because I did so much hard work back then. So it's about to plant some new seeds so I can live by that, like the next month for me, like set my future self up for success. And right now I am just riding the wave of my past self, because I have these clients and I'm working with them, and it was something past Magnus he did, like getting these clients. So now I'm just having these clients and just working with them and spending time with them, because I did that back then. So I was thinking now, okay, how can I set myself up, my future self up for more success? And it's all about just doing the hard work and actually doing the things that move the needle. And for me, that is actually working on my business, working with my clients. So right now, I have been waking up at 7 a.m. and then working like deep hours till 1 p.m. But this past week, I have been going to like community calls and actually having meetings in that area of time. And for me, that doesn't work, because I have to have those 6 focused hours where I actually help my clients. And then afterwards, sure, I can have the meetings in the evening or afternoon. But in those early hours, no fucking way. I need to get my shit done. I need to move the fucking important stuff and not go to calls or whatever. Do the most important stuff. It's really, really important, eating the frog in those hours. And I haven't been doing that, and I have just been kind of half working, not really getting into deep work, because I was checking school and not school, but like messages from the communities, and also just getting out of my flow state like every like half an hour. And for me, it really works when I'm just very focused on one thing for a long period of time, like 2 hours, just focus on this specific thing. And then I will just hold a break and just go outside or whatever, and then refresh my mind and get back to it again and just work really deep hours again on it. And if I can do that 3 to 4 times during those 6 hours, is where I'm the most productive. If I can do that, time just moves past so fast when I do that. And it's when I'm doing the hard stuff and I'm actually moving the needle and actually doing the things that are important for my clients, getting the website done, getting the sent to them, getting pages up, getting videos up, editing videos, getting ads out, all of these things. And I need to focus on that. So right now I'm about to build some templates so it's easier for me to make websites. So I automated a bit. And I actually have a guy in India now that's gonna make some of these templates for me. And that is pretty nice to have. Also just manage maybe a person, that could also be nice. That's something I wish to do in the future. And if he becomes very good at it, it's also setting myself up for success in the future, because then I don't have to spend that much time on the things I can just send to him. So yeah, it's just important to ask yourself, what do I actually need to get done? What is the 20% that get 80% of the results? And it's probably not sitting in meetings. It's probably not doing all of these things, replying to people immediately and all of this. It's probably getting the deep work done, getting that big task, just slowly unraveling them and just slowly getting them done. It's probably those tasks that moves the needle for 80% when you're doing 20% of the work. So just to really set your focus on what is it actually I need to do, and then set some time where you are not really getting distracted at all, and just do it in that time. And do not get distracted. Like, actually, I don't even speak with my family in those hours, because like, I'm focused. I need to move my needle, because this business is only gonna work if I focus and actually have deep work tasks and actually get shit done. Otherwise, this business is not going very well. Yeah, so that was it for today, or yesterday. I'm just setting yourself up for future successes. Working hard now so you can perhaps relax later, or just keep building. Like compound. And that is important. So I'm trying to do that now. And yeah, I think it's working very well. I don't really like it. So maybe take that into consideration yourself, or just try to be consistent with something, because holy fuck, it really pays off. It pays so much off. You don't even fucking recognize it, but it pays so much off to just do the consistent things all the time, and moving the needle and getting deep work done in the morning. So I'll leave you with it. And it was a bit long video, and if you're still watching, it's insane. Like, congrats to you. And yeah, this is something I want to give myself the advice to really move the needle, do the hard work in the morning, and dedicate some undisrupted hours to do the hard things.